So you have to contact a lot of community partners, especially if you're doing, we do occasionally do individual projects, and a lot of times they'll make you contact people outside of school to bring in for your project as like a visual aid. So you have to learn how to contact them and how to speak to them appropriately.
I actually got hired very quickly once they realized that I had this skill set to work with people, to communicate, to be a leader. In the real world, it's all about communication and group work. And when they found out that I had these skills to be able to communicate with adults and be able to write professional letters and emails and be able to take initiative, they said, hey, we want someone like you, someone who knows how the real world really functions and that have that skill set available at hand.
One thing I've learned is you can work with everybody as long as you make the conscious decision to do so. As long as both parties make that decision, then you can overcome any obstacle and work with anyone you want to.